Let's make a beautiful Valentine's Day swag using Dollar Tree and Walmart items. And I will show you how you can turn the swag sideways. You can use it on your wall. You can use it as a tablescape. It's going to be so exciting. So you need 2 of these little pink Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, and then you're going to fluff the branches. I'm leaving it flat on one side and just fluffing up the branches on the other. And then you're going to go ahead and put it into a little styrofoam. I just have like a little styrofoam scrap piece here. You could use a pool noodle for this part. It depends on how you're going to use your swag at the end. So now I'm just taking some Deco Mesh that I had left over from Christmas, and I'm just twisting it and putting into the branches. And then again, I'm going to take some red Deco Mesh that I had left over from Christmas. And in craft math, that means it costs 0. So now you're going to cut 8 or 9-inch strips of ribbon. I got this ribbon at Craft Outlet, and the white and the red Valentine's ribbon are both from Dollar Tree. And I'm just dovetailing the ribbon, and then I'm going to stack the ribbon and cut a little notch in the middle of all the ribbons right in the center to give my pipe cleaner something to grip onto. And then what you can do is just attach it to your swag, and you can fluff it. You'll be able to change the ribbons around how you like. You're just attach it to one of the little branches. So I went ahead and added 4 of those ribbon bunches. Now I'm taking these fake rose bouquets from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting the stem so it's a couple of inches long so that I can stick it into the styrofoam. Now I'm just taking the heart pick bunches from Dollar Tree, and I cut those little wires on them to a couple of inches, and then I'm just attaching them where the bows are to cover up the center of the bows. So now I'm just going to take more of that pink ribbon, and I'm just going to make a bow. I just make 2 loops. I tie it with a pipe cleaner, and then I dovetail the ends. And then I take some scrap fabric and glue it over the middle, and then I'm just going to attach that with a floral pick. And then I made a matching bow for the other side. I got this cute red LED candle at Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to move some roses and pop that right into the center. And now our centerpiece swag is done. You could also, if you wanted, not have the candle in the middle, and you could make this a wall swag if you just put either the roses back in the middle, or you could put a little bear or some other decoration if you wanted it to be a wall swag instead. This is a great little tutorial because you can really make this for any holiday. I've made Christmas swags, Easter ones. I'll show you all an Easter one coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be sure to subscribe or follow for more.